Welcome to Dream on Wheels. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Dreamer D53 Fun, a compact campervan built around practicality, smart space usage, and a layout designed for real travel. In this video, we'll explore everything from its exterior design and interior layout to the kitchen, sleeping area, bathroom, and what it actually feels like on the road. From the outside, the D53 Fun keeps things simple and functional. It follows a compact panel van design, which immediately makes it more approachable for everyday driving. Its smaller footprint makes a real difference. It's easier to handle in tight spaces, easier to park, and more comfortable to drive in urban areas as well as on longer journeys. The design itself is clean and understated. It doesn't rely on bold styling. Instead, it focuses on practicality. The sliding side door provides quick access to the living area, making daily use more convenient. Large side windows allow natural light to enter, helping the interior feel brighter and more open at the rear. The wide opening doors give direct access to the sleeping area and storage space. This makes loading and unloading gear simple and efficient. Step inside, and the focus immediately shifts to how efficiently the space is used. Everything feels organized and purposeful at the front. The driver and passenger seats rotate to become part of a small but functional lounge area. This creates a space where you can sit, relax, or enjoy a meal. The table is compact but practical, designed for everyday use without taking up unnecessary room. What stands out here is the simplicity. Nothing feels overcrowded. Everything is placed where it makes sense. Natural light from the windows helps the space feel more open during the day, while soft interior lighting creates a calm atmosphere in the evening. This is a space designed to feel comfortable, not complicated. Moving into the kitchen, the design continues with the same focus on efficiency. The setup is compact, but everything you need is within easy reach. You get a cooking area with a stove and a sink, allowing you to prepare simple meals while traveling. The countertop space is limited, but it's designed to be used effectively. Storage is well thought out, with cabinets and drawers providing space for utensils, groceries, and daily essentials. A refrigerator is included, allowing you to store fresh food and extend your trips. This kitchen is built for practical, everyday use. At the rear, the sleeping area is designed to provide a comfortable place to rest without taking up too much space. The bed offers enough room for 2 people, making it suitable for couples or solo travelers who want extra space. The mattress provides decent support, helping ensure a restful night after a long day. Storage is integrated around the sleeping area, including overhead cabinets and underbed space. This allows you to keep your belongings organized without cluttering the living area. The rear doors can also be opened to bring in fresh air and natural light, enhancing the overall experience. The bathroom in the D53 Fun is compact but practical. Inside, you'll find a toilet, sink, and a shower, all integrated into a small space. The layout is designed to maximize usability while keeping everything accessible. While the space is limited, it provides everything needed for daily routines. Storage compartments help keep toiletries organized. Having a private bathroom on board adds a strong level of convenience, especially when traveling to locations without facilities. Moving into the cockpit, the campervan offers a comfortable and easy-to-use driving environment. The driver and passenger seats are supportive, making longer journeys more manageable. The dashboard is simple and intuitive, with controls placed within easy reach in front of the driver. The instrument cluster is clear and easy to read. A central infotainment system provides access to navigation and media. Large front windows provide good visibility, helping maintain confidence while driving. Once parked, the seats rotate to become part of the living space, adding flexibility. What makes the D53 Fun stand out is how naturally it fits into everyday travel. It doesn't try to do too much. Instead, it focuses on doing the essentials well. You have just enough space to move, cook, sleep, and relax without feeling overwhelmed. This makes the overall experience feel simple and manageable. Whether it's a short weekend trip or a longer journey, everything feels easy to use. The Dreamer D53 Fun is built around simplicity that works. It's not trying to be the biggest or the most feature-packed. It's designed to be practical, efficient, and comfortable in real-world use, and sometimes that's exactly what makes a campervan stand out. The Dreamer D53 Fun offers a straightforward and well-balanced campervan experience, focusing on usability, comfort, and smart design. If you found this tour helpful, consider subscribing to Dream on Wheels for more campervan and motorhome content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.